Hello, in this section, we'll define what is a legal document assistant. A legal document assistant is a non-lawyer who provides for compensation any self-help service to a member of the public who is representing themselves in a legal matter. The California Business Professions Code Section C1 defines a legal document assistant as any person who is not exempted from Section 6401 and who provides or assists in providing or offers to provide or offers to assist in providing for compensation any self-help service to a member of the public who is representing themselves in a legal matter or who holds themselves as someone who offers that service or has that authority. This paragraph does not apply to any individual whose assistance merely consists of secretarial or receptionist services. California Business and Professions Code Section 6400C2. A corporation, partnership, association, or other entity that employs or contracts with any person not exempted under Section 6401 who, as part of their responsibilities, provides or assists in providing for compensation any self-help service to a member of the public who is representing themselves in a legal matter or holds themselves out as someone who offers that service or has that authority. This section does not apply to an individual whose assistance merely consists of secretarial or receptionist services. California Business Professions Code 6400D 1 through 4 states, Section 1, completing legal documents in a ministerial manner selected by a person who is representing themselves in a legal matter by typing or otherwise completing the documents at the person's specific direction. This is defining self-help service by definition under the California Business Professions Code. 2, providing general published factual information that has been written or approved by an attorney pertaining to legal procedures, rights, or obligations to a person who is representing themselves in a legal matter to assist the person in representing themselves. This service in and of itself does not require registration as a legal document assistant. Making published legal documents available to a person who is representing themselves in a legal matter. Filing and serving legal forms and documents at the specific direction of a person who is representing themselves in a legal matter. Compensation defined. The California Business Professions Code Section 6400E defines compensation as money, property, or anything else of value. California Business Professions Code 6400F defines a legal document assistant, including any legal document assistant employed by a corporation or partnership, shall not provide any self-help service for compensation unless the legal document assistant is registered pursuant to Section 6402. Legal advice. The California Business Professions Code Section 6400G defines a legal document assistant may not provide any kind of legal advice, explanation, opinion, or recommendation to a consumer about possible legal rights, remedies, defenses, options, selection of forms, or strategies. A legal document assistant shall complete documents only in the manner prescribed by paragraph 1 of subdivision D. California Legal Document Assistant Registration Requirements. California Business and Professions Code Section 6402 through 6407. Section 6402. A legal document assistant or unlawful detainer shall be registered pursuant to this chapter by the county clerk in the county in which their principal place of business is located, and in which they maintain a branch office, and provide proof that the registrant has satisfied the bonding requirement of Section 605. No person who has been disbarred or suspended from the practice of law pursuant to Article 6 of Chapter 4 may, during the period of any disbarment or suspension, register as a legal document assistant or unlawful detainer assistant. The Department of Consumer Affairs shall develop the application required to be completed by a person for purposes of registration as a legal document assistant. The application shall specify the types of proof that the applicant shall provide to the county clerk in order to demonstrate the qualifications and requirements of Section 6402.1. This concludes our overview of what a legal document assistant is, and I hope that you learned a lot from this section, and I look forward to joining you in the next lesson.